What's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Looking like the market's going to go crazy this week. We talked about it on Monday in the Discord and on X. You know, we have a lot going on, and it's looking like the market's going to start reacting. Remember, tomorrow we have Jackson Hole. Jerome Powell is going to be there at the Jackson Hole Symposium, and it's probably going to get a little bit wild after that. So we got Thursday, Friday. That should be pretty volatile. Today could go either way, to be honest. I would expect a little bit of a maybe bounce back, but if the SPY cannot get back up over 640 zone, then I wouldn't be surprised to see another down day. And if we get a down day today, it's going to be nasty. But will that be a setup for tomorrow for Jerome to come out and be dovish and send this sucker back to the moon? I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see. For now, going to be looking at this from a neutral standpoint, and I'm going to be patient. Yesterday was a banger day, and looking to build off of that today. What's going on? Tevin in number one. Guys, you already know, today we're going to be giving away some Apex accounts. We're going to be giving away some Take Profit Trader accounts. And whoever is number one in chat today as the chat, first, second, and third place for participation and whatnot, you're going to get a $150,000 Take Profit Trader account. So let's see how the day goes, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Here, for those of you that are new around here, let me get you something here real quick. Here it is. If you're new around here, I don't make the rules when it comes to the chat first, second, and third place. You can read about it here. Link in chat. Boom, you can read about it there. Well, we're going to be giving away, today we're going to give away at least 3 accounts. We're going to give away Apex and Take Profit Trader. So we're going to give away 50K Take Profit Trader, and then whoever has first place will get 150K Take Profit Trader. And then we're also going to be giving away some Apex accounts. Well, we got a few seconds to the open here. Let me see here. The hourly chart has just been a leader here on NQ. If we can get up and over this 460 zone, yeah, you probably have a shot here at turning the chart a little bullish, at least for a little bit of a bounce back thing. But if we can't get over that 460 zone, damn, man, it's going to be bloody. Yo, Yasin, good morning. Black Diamond says he's feeling a little bit bullish today. Instructions unclear, full port short. So I'm approaching today from a neutral standpoint, guys. I'm going to watch and wait, react to the charts. Been on a heater here for the last 9 days straight. So, we'll see what today holds. I'm also going to be working on some Take Profit Trader evals. Yesterday I got 5 Take Profit Trader evals that all hit 1470 in profit. Would be nice to, finish these up today. At least get really close to 3,000. So that I only need to trade some micros for the last 3 days of them and get them squared away, probably funded sometime next week. Well, not all 5, obviously, because I already got 2. But at least I'll have them there as back burners. Yo, ain't gonna lie, I got a good bit of a headache. I need some chill music, not this. Let's change this music up. Because, damn. All right, so the NQ there at an hourly support zone, but it's looking like it wants to slice right through it. Trader's Den, it's just a hat they sent me. Not sure if they have like a store where you can buy it or if you can message support. I don't know. They were like, hey, we want to send you some swag. I was like, awesome, send it over. Thank you very much. Very appreciated. Nice bounce back there off of 360. Testing those 400s now. Whoops. Wrong keyboard. Will, I stream Wednesdays at 9:15 a.m. Tevin, have not heard anything from anybody there. Damn it, I would have had my Take Profit Trader account there already at profit goal. But I pressed the wrong button. I got long instead of short. I made $200 because I exited really, really fast. But I would have definitely had hit my target there. I was just playing that 400 psychological zone for the scalp. I only need 12.5 points. JT, you want a DJ for me? Yeah, I seen that. Review on who? Oh, no, I never even heard of that place. TX3, never heard of it. SPY trying to get through VWAP on the 3-minute chart. But finding resistance at 639 so far. Hey, what's Palantir doing? silent here with that massive drop into the 150 zone. Golly, that thing got absolutely demolished here recently. Could be something good to look at for some long dated out calls, to be honest. Pretty damn expensive calls. SPY still lillygagging around that VWAP zone. Yo, Dre, what's going on? And back down she goes. First time here on the live? Well, welcome. I stream every Wednesday at 9:15 a.m. Come on down. Oh, there she goes. New lows. Lifted Trader, what's up? The Beast, yeah. Yasin, I streamed a lot of stock stuff way back. But I've mainly always just been videos. Oh, 9 to 5? No, I haven't had one of those in almost 20 years. No. A little bit of allergic to those. I've been self-employed for something like 17, 18 years, something like that. 18, 19 years? I don't even freaking know. I'd have to do the math. But I've been self-employed. Damn, look at that drop, guys. Right into a major hourly level now. So this could be a level where we could see a bounce back. So keep an eye on that. Yeah, Tevin. I don't know what it's like. I'm going to turn 42 in a couple months. And I haven't clocked in at a job since like my early 20s. I don't really I don't know what it's like to have a boss. At this point in time, I cannot have one. No, lifted. Haven't been trading for 20 years. That'd be freaking awesome. I've been trading for about 8. This could be a bit of a bounce zone, guys. Should have actually been freaking... Well, I got one take profit trader account there. Only needs about 30 bucks more to get 3,000 bucks. So that one will work on tomorrow. I should have been long on my freaking Apex accounts, but today's not a good day for me to be multitasking too much between the headache, the lack of sleep, and streaming. It's probably a good thing I didn't take the long as well on the take profit trader. But that was the bounce we talked about there. Bobby, I do have a boss. Up there. My Lord and Savior. For sure. Owe it all to him. Nice. Good job. Good job on those 5 micros. Dre, that's awesome, man. Congrats about the business. Hopefully it starts to pick up. Remember always to manage your finances accordingly. If your business is cyclical, then, you know, you always want to have some extra funds during those downtimes. Look at that rejection of the 70 zone. Are you kidding me? That should make new lows. Nah, the boss is the one that I mentioned. There we go, Kier. All right, what do we got here? Man, we still got, I mean, are we going to bleed out again today? That's pretty damn crazy. Wow, new low. There it is. What a crazy rejection. Everyone's seemingly getting absolutely demolished here. Google straight down. Amazon straight down. Meta straight down. Tesla straight down, slicing through support. Damn. There is blood in the streets, boys. We might have to get serious here soon, looking for some good trades on some short activity. Hey, Tevin called it, he says. I mean, we got a lot of room to the downside, to be honest. I just can't imagine that it's just going to go straight to it now. That's crazy. Daily chart at about a little bit of a minor support zone that's about to test. SPY slicing through everything. Like it's not even there. We got quite what do we got here? Low 636.79. So we are approaching a potential support zone on the SPY. We'll see what it wants to do down there. Looks like it's going to keep on dumping. Damn, no setups at all. Guys, new video comes out tomorrow. Yeah, new video should come out tomorrow. I think you're going to like it a lot. Hoping to get it out by 11 a.m. Not sure if it's going to happen that way, but we're going to try. It's looking like it wants to bounce here. Like it's trying anyways. That 75 zone has to hold support. Oh, says it's not going to bounce. Sucker just keeps on dumping. Look at that, bro. Just straight down. I mean, you got room. NQ really has room to... Let me see here. Where's my NQ daily chart? We don't have much room. I mean, we got room there to the 20s. After the 20s, then we got room to like 23,100 zone. That would be, if you don't bounce there, then damn. SPY approaching potential support zones. Woof. This thing just keeps on dumping. SPY at a support zone right now. If it doesn't bounce now, then damn, bro. This is more wild than yesterday. At least yesterday gave us a setup. This is just straight bloodbath out the gate. Zero bounce. Getting a phone call here, but we shall ignore that. Okay, there we go. Another account here. Nailed that little bounce on a take profit trader evaluation. We need $60 on that one to get to 3,000. So that one should be pretty secure. Tushar, what's going on, man? I'm hanging in there. How about you? Like, I'm not a falling knife catcher, but I had to take advantage of those quick drops and pops for those 12.5 points I needed. But this thing's still bleeding. Over at the Discord, the beast with the GIF that is very appropriate to today's market. Guys, the Discord is free. Here's the link in chat. Swing on by, hang out with us. Whoa. Roll. This thing is bleeding out. Just straight down. Golly. Why didn't it give us like a nice clean setup? I mean, we had one little bounce, just one. And it wasn't even that great of a setup for a short. It wasn't even a bounce. We just traded sideways. A 6-minute bear flag and that was it. To Evan, with the last 2 weeks, he says Wednesdays aren't normally his biggest days, but the last 2 weeks, he's had major wins. Huh. Wonder if it has anything to do with watching the stream. Yes, I do, Yasin. Trading and social media is my main income. It's my full-time business. Alright, so... Alright guys, time for the first giveaway. If you are here, present, paying attention, and ready for a giveaway, type the number 1 in chat. Damn, missed that entry. I saw somebody ask how come I don't stream live more often if this is my full time. Because it's my full time. Because I must focus on trading. Today alone I've missed 2 setups because I was interacting with the stream. Right now was one of them. Awesome, guys. So here's the link in chat. Click here. Click there and get ready to input this code in your Apex. Pick whatever account size you want. Be fast. It's all caps. T as in Tom, V as in Victor, S as in Sam, C as in Charlie, R as in Romeo, G as in Golf, 93, 93. TVS CRG 93. Go. Good Lord, this thing just keeps bleeding out. God, I hate that, bro, because I love shorty more than I love going long. But it just hasn't been a setup. Guys, remember, in chat, you got first, second, and third place. You can see them with a little purple crown. First place right now is Tevin. Whoever is first place by the time the stream ends today will be the winner of a 150K Take Profit Trader evaluation. If you want to learn more about how to do that, here's a link in chat from Google itself, and you can click and learn how you get to first place. All right, we might be having our first little bounce back here. That's actually a really decent area for the bounce back to start to occur on the SPY. Oh, wow. How did that happen so quickly? Trader's Nest all of a sudden in first place. Quick little pop there into 23,200 on the NQ. Right back down here, halfway to the low of day zone. If that just bleeds out once again, I'm going to be extremely surprised. I'm going to go ahead and take a starter position here and give it a shot. This is super high risk, in my opinion, but might be worth a try. Don't need a whole lot, just a scalp, a little bit of scalpy scalp, and I'll be happy. Can we get through 200? I'm gonna take it off right there. So I didn't get my full position, so I'm just gonna take it off there. It was like 300 something bucks times 5 accounts. I'll go ahead and take that. Oh damn! It didn't show the freaking trade. Oh, why? All right, here, real quick. You can see the fills at least. Could have sworn that I had changed it over. There you go. In right here at 171.25, out at 194.50. Nice little win. That gave me $461 times 5 accounts. I'll take it. Thank you, thank you. Just looking for the little scalp, little quick scalp, that's all. Especially now, because you can't trust a long here, really. But you cannot trust a short after such a massive drop already. Oh, nice. Kier took it. Let's go. That's right, the beast. Thank you, Traders Den. What the freaking hell is this? Hey, who got the Apex accounts? I didn't see anybody. I think where I got into the trade right after that. Oh, nice. Traders Den got one. Tushar got one. Gurani Trade got one. Let's go. Good stuff, guys. 10:03 a.m., guys. Look, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think I'm going to stream all morning like I usually do today. I'm not leaving now, but stream's going to be a little bit shorter today. Headaches got me held prisoner a little bit here. Took 3 Advils and still not freaking gone. I think it's trying to turn into a migraine. This morning it had me right here. Here and here. Thanks. I don't even know. I hope this doesn't make the headache worse. Thank you, man. Te quiero, nene. My kid was trying to break on in. Nah, Harry. I think it's just stress. I got all sorts of knots back here in my traps. Andrew, I'm in the green. Yep, the Cuban coffee Traders Den just came in. But you can tell that I'm not at 100%. I'm not all, oh, the Cuban coffee. Bobby, you got one? Hell yeah, let's go, man. Oh, Sash, it's Sash. It's only one, but if enough people like type in the code, you know, around the same time, I guess the machine just hands out accounts until it says, all right, it ran out. Damn, look at that drop. That's a really nice drop right there. Damn, is that really gonna lead into a new low? There's no way, bro. Famous last words, right? Guys, the latest specials. Boom, trade day. Look at that new low. That's crazy, bro. Bang. Take profit trader. For those of you that like the leverage from Apex, 80% off. You want that straight to funding? You got trade day. I'm sorry, Tradeify. Bulanox said, get out the way, Apex, because I got 83% off. Trade Desk, 50 to 70% off. And if I'm not mistaken, Lucid is at 45% off. Boom. Look at that, bro. I did not expect that drop like that. That's crazy to me. Like, again, a new low. Yasin, when they do, remember to use coupon code all caps JESSEW. So right now, just sitting on the one green trade in the 5 Apex funded accounts, and I think I got 2 or 3 take profit trader accounts. I'd only need between 60 to 30 bucks to finish passing, and you know, those you got to trade for 5 days. So the last couple bucks, I'll just wait until the coming days. I mean, we're starting to approach what should be a really good support level on NQ. The question is, Will it hold support? SPY also reaching a support zone here at 634.60 zone. Will that level hold? I mean, I think it holds on the initial taps, but will it hold, you know, for the whole day? I don't know. Would be nice to see some really good holds here. New lows, guys. This thing won't stop. It won't stop selling. 100's being tapped now. Big boy level here. Can she hold it? Or do we sell right through it? 100. $100 still trying to hold. Does she bounce? SPY right into that big level. Not looking like it wants to hold. Not now anyways. It's a hot knife through butter. Maybe that pierce and then the bounce. We shall see. Uh-oh, fire alarm. She's trying to do something down here. But is there enough gas in that tank? I mean, this last drop was a little bit lighter of a volume drop than before. So we'll see. It'd be crazy to see a 100-point, 6-minute price action right back to 200. We could see that before it even rejects again and breaks the low. We could see that too. That's the kind of price action we're getting today. Right back down there to the 100 zone testing. Can we put a stick in the ground here and have liftoff? Looks like it might want to print new lows. There they go. Crazy. SPY trying to base out a little bit. NQ trying to get itself back up over 100. Did we finally shake them all out? And do we push from here? We're definitely about to find out. She's looking like she wants to just dump. You think you got one more dump in that? I don't know. It's possible. Hey, what happened here? Some pop-up from my camera. It's possible, but I don't know, man. It's sold off so strong for so long already. You know, I think before we make another new low, I think there should be a little bit of a bounce back. Like a little bit of a slingshot bounce back. You know what I mean? Let's say the bulls are starting to show their face. We'll see if the bears smack their face back down. We're just trading sideways here right now. Volume trying to increase. Yo, cool stuff, Yassine. Hit it up. Looks like new lows are coming in. Why won't you click? Crazy move to the downside, guys. No chill here. It's just straight down. Wow. We haven't had one single bounce. It's just been straight down, sideways, straight down, sideways. It almost looked like we had it there for a second, but nope, that 100 did not hold. Wow. Palantir getting absolutely smashed down to 145 and change now. Absolutely demolished. Oh, wait, I got a text here. Nope, that's trash.
So many levels, so many cultures. So many good ones, so many vultures. Yeah, yeah. So much privilege, so much indulgence. So much privilege, so much indulgence.
Did we finally reach the bottom?
So many cultures. So many good ones, so many vultures.
Still got a little bit of room to the downside, but does feel a little bit like maybe they're trying to establish a bottom there on the SPY. But for now, still bearish, man. This thing's still dumping. Haven't seen a dump like this in a while with no bounce back. Are you kidding me? All support levels just selling straight on through. Yeah, seen. That's what I should have done in the morning, right? Like as soon as the morning opened up, should have just jumped in short and then walked away.
So much privilege, so much indulgence, yo, everywhere. So many levels, so many cultures. So much privilege, so much indulgence. So much privilege, so much indulgence, yo, everywhere.
Oh, looks like it's finally time to see a bounce back. Can we hold above 100 finally? Nope, not yet. It's trying. There she goes. So now it'd be nice to see a little bit of a pullback into that 100 zone, see if it holds support. That would be the ideal scenario. We're getting that bounce back into the 50 zone. I have to imagine the sell is done. I would like to see a pullback into that 100 level, see if it wants to hold support. How much am I up today? I am up $461 times 5 Apex PAs. Would have been more had I been able to get this long, but I couldn't. This would be like a little bit of a resistance zone I would normally look for a short on. But I think that short is over for now. I mean, maybe you could get a little scalp. And I mean, by a little scalp, you're going to get multiple points because there's a lot of range here today. Yeah, Yasin, no idea. They have no expiration date on it right now. Good stuff, Tevin. Congrats on the green, man. Watching to see if we can get pullbacks back into that low zone. See if it holds support. Alright guys, so it is time for another giveaway. 50K, the 50K take profit trader evaluation. That's what we're going to give away. And it's going to be not trivia, but it's going to be a question. I'm going to ask you guys a question trading related in chat here. And the first person to reply with the correct answer will be the winner of the 50K TPT eval. All right, I'm gonna be frank with you guys today. I'm not gonna do a random giveaway today with the random comment picker. Not up for it. My head is pounding, and you've already noticed that I haven't been 100% myself, so you know, bear with me here. We're gonna do just one question, one giveaway. First person to answer. I want to make sure everybody's paying attention, so let me know in chat if you're paying attention by putting the number 5. Put the number 5 in chat. Let me know you're ready to rock and roll. All right, shortly after this, about 5-10 more minutes after this, we're going to do the first place giveaway as well, and then we're going to be calling it a stream. All right, guys? So the question is very simple. It is, what does VWAP stand for? First person to type it out correctly is the winner. I will take a screenshot of it and keep it handy just in case anybody. There we go. All right, so what is it? Dodging? P Doggy is the winner. Volume weighted average price. All right, good stuff. So P Doggy, email me info@thedaytraderchatroom.com. Email me right now so that we can go ahead and get you taken care of. I'm gonna need to confirm your subject line. So put a subject line, whatever you want, and then come back here and confirm it with me. Let me know when you sent the email. Once P Doggy has confirmed this, guys, then whoever is in first place in chat, first, second, and third, whoever's in first place with the little crown, the little purple stuff next to their name, will win a trade day evaluation. Mr. Bond, what's going on? Pulling back here again. Will this low break or will we hold just above it? I gotta think that we're gonna hold just above it. P Doggy, let me know when you sent that email out. Got it. Okay, I got you taken care of, bud. All right, guys. So let's see if this level holds here. We're gonna be calling in about another minute or two. We're gonna be calling out who is first place and wins the trade day evaluation today. Sorry, not the trade day. The 150K take profit trader evaluation. My bad. We're back down here into that 100 zone. Will we break the lows? Will the SPY break the low again? Bro, I cannot imagine it does, but today's been crazy and the SPY's right at the low of day. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. All right, guys, 10:30 a.m. and we're gonna call it here. Tevin is the winner. Tevin, send me an email for that TPT 150K eval. Congrats on first place. Email me info@thedaytraderchatroom.com. Congrats. Tevin, put a subject line and then come back and chat. Let me know real quick, bud. SPY piercing the low of day here, trying to get back above it. All right, Tevin, what's the subject line? Got it, buddy. All right, brother. So I'll get you taken care of as well. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in today. Remember, tomorrow, 11 a.m. or so, new video drops. Keep it green. It's nasty and bloody out there. Your boy's not feeling too hot today. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.